welcome back to East Coast UK. Today we're not on the East Coast, we're on the South Coast, we're at Brighton. This is the old West Pier, which has had a very, very poor history. It was caught fire. No vessels went into it as well, but it's just a monument now. But the Palace Pier is still there, and also we're right beside what is called the 360, which we can go right in there. Best we can get on that, I'm afraid. Yeah, so what we're going to do, oh no, it's not 360, it's a camera pole. There's a 360. There it is. I thought it was a bit small. Didn't like it, but yeah, that's a 360, which is goes up because you're 360. But we don't need that. We've got the drone to do that. So what we're going to do, we're going to fly out towards the Palace Pier, and we've got the sun because it is an early morning at the moment. So we've got the sun basically glaring right into us. So it's going to be more of a silhouette, but there we are, a different effect. And then we'll fly back over the coast. Yeah, you know what I'm like with water. Flying over the coast towards the West Pier, and hopefully get back in time before we run out of battery, because we've either got the little Neo, and you know it's only short life on the battery on that one. Okay, catch you at the end. welcome back. Filming all done. We've moved up a little bit further to the other side of the i360. It's still there. I got the right one this time. And we're by the upside down house. Didn't fly over that because basically ran out of battery as I predicted. But we did what we wanted to do. We went up to the Palace Pier. As I said, because of the sun, it was more of a silhouette, but it makes a nice effect. And of course, as soon as we turned round, obviously we had the sun behind us, so we got some lovely views across Brighton and the coast. Then we went up to the West Pier, filmed to the side of the West Pier. Then we came back in because it had the dreaded low battery. As I said, we only got the little Neo. It's only a short battery life, but hey ho. Wasn't so much of a panic as it was in Norwich a few months ago. Were we wondering if it actually would come back? But yeah, plenty of battery life today. A lot of strong winds up there, so apologies for the footage, bouncing around a bit. It's not very breezy down here at ground level, but obviously up there it must be a bit more breezy because yeah, the drone was moving about a bit. Right, I hope you enjoyed that content. Should be back on the East Coast somewhere soon again. Okay, like, comments, subscribe. You know the jazz. I better go out and do a half marathon now. Bye bye for now.